Okay, I'm Tom Coughlin, and I'm talking to Niraj K, who is a professor at Princeton University, and he gave a very interesting talk on basically the state of medical diagnoses and requirements for mobile devices for personal health, and also I think for professional applications. One question I want to ask you is, if you were to look out 5 years' time, what kind of things would there be available for consumers and also for medical professionals in terms of portable portable medical devices to either improve their health or detect and prevent worsening of problems?
The way I see it is that there'll be three challenges. First one is smartness. How do you get intelligence into these devices? The second one is energy efficiency, because we are always going to be battery constrained in a lot of these devices. And the third is security. And these three are not easy to satisfy simultaneously. If I want smartness and security, I need more computation, which means I can have only less energy, so energy efficiency goes down. So techniques that do all three would be very important. And the next step would be, it's not enough to have smartness, it has to be very highly accurate, which means I need more and more powerful machine learning algorithms, which again affects your energy efficiency negatively. So if you have neural networks, it's very accurate if you can find the large enough data set, but it's also very energy consuming. So these are the trends that act in different directions that we have to try to tackle.
Okay. If we were to look out 5 years from now, what kind of things do you think may be possible given the development of battery technology, of our processing and in memory? 5 years out it's a long time in technology. What will we actually be using, do you think?
So our sensors will become smarter and secure. And then if you look at IoT, there are many levels that you start from sensors, collect data, then you go to the base station, the cloud, and then the users. You'll have hierarchical inference where you're distilling intelligence from the data at different levels of this hierarchy. And at different levels, you have more and more features. So as you go higher in the levels, you have more sophisticated features. You have fMRI, you have CT scan, you have maybe electronic health records from which you're taking data out and features out. So it'll be different levels of models with increasing sophistication in terms of accuracy. And the efficiency will also have to be played just right, because accuracy and efficiency go in different directions. So that's our challenge. But in 5 years, I do think that a lot more disparate features are going to be now put together, and the models will become much more sophisticated.
But some things will be running, for instance, in the cloud, and some things will be running more locally or even on the device itself, right?
Yes. Inference will be done in a hierarchical way. Whatever I can collect locally, I should get the intelligence out locally. Then I send the data to the base station, to the edge, to the cloud. And the cloud may do big data analytics that I cannot do in the edge node. And so it'll be basically all kinds of models with increasing sophistication as we go higher in the IoT hierarchy.
So it sounds like it's really going to be a brave new world in medical technologies.
Yes, I think I view these technologies as physician assist. If we are able to assist the physicians into doing diagnosis in a much more accurate fashion, then we free up their time to really look at other aspects of diagnosis, of interacting with the patients, making them feel better. So there are lots of other things that they currently don't find time for.
Right.
So this automation is not really going to affect the physicians in a negative way. It's just going to be an assist, which makes them much more efficient.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And thanks for your excellent talk today.
Thanks a lot.